Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time tuning in, my name is Meccah. I make videos about all manner of things, but today's video is my 11th month lock update. Okay, let's just take a moment, okay, because you know what 11 comes before? It comes before 12. And what is 12? Well, 12 is a year. So anyway, guys, this is actually not a positive update besides my pleasant tone. A lot of things went wrong this month. And I'm gonna just jump in and give y'all visuals and let y'all know what month 11 is looking like, okay? So to start off, I am maybe 2/4, 1/2, I don't know. I'm a 4th way done with my retie, and that's why you might notice that my hair looks stretched in some places and shrunk in others, and super duper just afro-y up here. I have a lot of new growth. It's been about 6 weeks since my last retie, so I'm actually in the process. I'll show you guys some of the parts right now. And while I got y'all this close, let me tell you the biggest shocker of month 11, okay? This. I lost the lock, guys. Where I think I'll show you the tiny baby we're working with. And I lost that, okay. I think it was this one or its neighbor that I lost. Anywho, lost it. I'm gonna maybe try to reattach this later, but so I done a braid out, which I'll include some photos of if you don't follow me on Instagram at Meccah's Micros. And pretty much it had been like day 2 or 3 of this braid out, and I was just kind of like combing through my hair, and as I'm combing, this just comes out. Like it just all the way out. Like I didn't feel anything, I didn't notice until it was in my hand, so that was super weird. And that's kind of the first update. I've just had some weird issues with the perimeter of my locks, and I don't know if that part of my hair is just not as strong as I thought it was or what, but losing that lock definitely just kind of put me like on high alert. And then I'm still battling some thinning in a few of those locks, so I'm gonna kind of dig into like finding a routine that sticks to help with the thinning. I bought some aloe, and I had ordered some castor oil, but Amazon jacked up my order. So I'm gonna try to start implementing, you know, thicker oils and things to kind of help maybe clear some of the thinning up that's happening there. Other updates, let's say, I've lost a lot of the initial like softness of the locks. Not that they're not soft, but like they feel a lot firmer. If you may or may not notice, but the texture has changed entirely. Like some still have like a 2-strand twist type of look, but to me it's more or less disappearing. Still battling with dandruff. I have not tried any of you guys' lovely suggestions just yet. So yeah, I'm gonna try some of you guys' suggestions probably in the next week or so, and I'll probably do a video on that, just like in case anyone else has that problem and they want to see, you know, a close-up of how I'm managing that. I'll give you guys a little length check too. Okay, that's the back. As I've been doing my retie, I've ended up combining a few of like the tiny, you know, like the nape pieces in the back. So I'll show you guys that here when I do my turnaround. But other than that, my hair is doing a lot of things on the strands. I don't know if this is bunching or the locks themselves just forming, but I've had a lot more of just, I guess, related to the texture changes. Like I'll show you. Let me see if I can find it. Okay, so here's just helpful close-ups. Wow, look at that, guys. Look at this shrinkage. I'm trying to find a good one, and now I can't find it. Hold on. Well, yeah, I can't find one. Okay, I think I found one. So, for for example, you see this and you see that, like, I just have a lot of just, I guess, thickening of the locks that's happening. And as far as that goes, I'm just gonna leave it alone. Like, what I am pretty much gonna do is not make any more drastic changes. I'm gonna go super low maintenance with my hair, and after I've gotten to a year, then I will start like really experimenting. But I just want to make it to a year, let the locks do what they do. If it is bunching, I will fix it on the back end, because I just want to get to, you know, my year mark without like any major breakage, you know, because losing a lock, I've seen plenty of girls that, you know, inspired my journey that lost locks, and it's not that big a deal. But still, I just want to tread carefully until, you know, they've matured a little bit more. So yeah, so that's kind of just most of the like major kind of like, I don't want to say backslides, but that's most of the major kind of like shockers of this month. So now I'll just like continue doing some length checks and let you guys see what it's looking like. So here's the fun part. That was it. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this. Let me know what you guys think of my 11-month update, and I'd love to hear more about how you guys' journeys are going, whether you have vlogs or otherwise. And stay tuned. I'm going to commit, okay, I'm not going to try, I'm going to commit to posting more frequently. So definitely stay tuned, guys. You wouldn't believe what the last 2 to 3 weeks have brought for me, and I do apologize, but I am back healthier than ever, and I will explain more later. So please subscribe if you like this video, and stay safe, you guys. Bye.